po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian Isa Mendoza. Dito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, August 19, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutulating series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about random mutation. Ikaw ba ay aksidente lang sa mundo o pinag-isipan mabuti ng Diyos? Now, para po sa araw nito, ang talata po natin or scripture natin ay magagaling sa Psalm chapter 139 verses 13 to 16. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. For you created my inmost being, you knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful, I know that full well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place, when I was woven together in the depths of the earth. Your eyes saw my unformed body. All the days ordained for me were written in your book before one of them came to be. Now, pang ating mas magawan kung ano ibig sabihin ng talata nito. At upang mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion, ngayon po tayo pwede ako sa ating teachings for today. So, alam niyo po, kung iniisip niyo po na dito tayo sa mundo ng aksidente lang, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na you are not here by chance. We are not here by chance. Hindi po tayo aksidente yung ginawa ng Diyos. Kasi from the very beginning, God thought of you, pinlano ka niya, binigyan ka niya ng buhay. So lahat ng parte ng buhay mo, yung personality mo, yung talents mo, yung itsura mo, even the little details about you, it was carefully put together by God. Ikaw ay ginawa ng Diyos, ikaw ay planadong ginawa ng Diyos, not just in your appearance, but also in the way of your mind, in your heart, and in your spirit. And more than just being created, ikaw po ay nilikha ng Diyos ng may purpose. So yung buhay mo, it is meant to reflect God's glory. So that means yung existence mo ay mayroong value, mayroong meaning, and mayroong eternal significance. Ngayon pa tayo patadako sa ating application. So ano nga ba yung mga dapat natin gawin or apply sa ating mga buhay? So dapat we should learn to embrace the way that God made you. So dapat hindi ka mag-aksaya ng oras comparing yourself sa ibang tao or wishing you were someone else. Kasi lahat ng tao ay ginawa ng Diyos na unique. Your uniqueness is exactly what is special in God's eyes. That's why pahalagahan mo yung sarili mo because ang Diyos nga pinapahalagahan ka. So bakit ikaw hindi mo papahalagan yung sarili mo? You don't need to prove your worth to anyone kasi it was already given to you by your Creator, and yun yung pinaka-important. That's why mamuhay ka ng may saya, live with joy, live out your purpose. Kasi ikaw ay ginawa ng Diyos to glorify Him. That's why gamitin mo yung mga God-given gifts, yung mga gifts na binigay sa'yo, yung strength mo, and kahit yung weaknesses mo, pwede mo yung gamitin to show His goodness. So, tandaan po natin na yung araw-araw nating buhay, it is an opportunity to live as a masterpiece na nilikha ng Diyos. So, marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.